In this video, I will tell you that how to improve TikTok camera quality. So if you want to actually record videos in high quality and if you want to actually upload videos in high quality, then this depends upon your phone, okay? Because if we go into the TikTok application here, okay, and if we tap on this plus icon over here, and now from here you can see that actually we don't have any option to like increase or decrease the quality of the camera, okay? So it depends upon your phone. If your phone is if your phone is high, then your camera will be good and the video quality will be good, and if your phone is low, then the video quality of your camera is not good. But there is a one fix that we can do here. If we just record a video here, and now if we tap on next, and if you scroll down here you can see this option which is like allow high quality uploads, and if this option is turned off, make sure that when uploading this option is turned on, because what this will do is this will actually not compress the video, okay? This will upload the video in its original size, so it will not compress it, and when it is not compressed, the quality of the video will not be loose. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.